lot of 3D scanning technology, 3D printing technology that's evolving outside the medical field, and if there is a collaboration and convergence, I think new innovation will start to erupt.
I think one of the biggest takeaways is actually how fast this field is moving. You've brought together people from all over the world, and that's really what it's about. You need to bring people together so they can have the discussions to see what's important for different applications of these technologies and how we can drive them forward with investment.
I just listened to the ones of the orthopedic surgeon, the spinal surgeons, and what they're actually doing today. I don't think that many people know that there's that many 3D printed devices actually being used.
I attend conferences that are run by business associations, run by medical associations, run by technical associations. 3D Heals is an unusual conference in that everyone really comes in on equal footing. It's a conference specifically made to bring everyone together at once.